In this video, I'm just going to tell you that how to check or see your gender on Facebook profile if you forgot it or if you want to check it or however. So that's quite simple and easy to do. So let's begin. And so first of all, open up Facebook and then just come to the menu and then click on this gear to open up settings and privacy, and then here just click on account center and go to the personal details section and click on birthday section, and then select the option who can see your birthday on Facebook. Just and then click on change visibility on Facebook. So like in this way you can read the edit profile section of your Facebook profile. Here you can see the gender option. Just check your gender, and if you want to check your birthday announcing pronoun according to your gender, just click on more options, and here you can see what pronoun do you use, and it will show that which pronoun you're using. And if you want to change it, just click on this little drop down menu and then just select the birthday announcing pronoun according to your gender. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the show, just leave me a comment below and I'll be catching you on the next video. Thanks guys.